Hey friends, if you wish to search for online templates and themes in PowerPoint, then please watch this video. Now I'll help you unleash an excellent PowerPoint. So you have PowerPoint, you can create slides and all. Okay, I'll create a blank slide and all. But what if you want inbuilt templates? And the same goes for Microsoft Word. I actually designed resumes using this method. So click on File, select this option here for new templates or more themes, and if you are trying to select a new file, then simply click on new here, and you'll find all of these templates, like countless of these templates. You can sort them out by themes, or you can sort them out by education related documents and so on. So I'll click on new once again, and let's say I want education related themes. Okay, I'll pick up this design, and there are countless designs. You know what, they sell PowerPoint designs online. I don't think that it is required. We have way too many, like if you want for kids, if you want for biology and everything. So click on this one and select create, and here you have an excellent design. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.